Never knew regular laundry detergent was so bad for the environment.
I discovered Detergent Sheets, an effortless laundry hack with drastic impacts. Regular laundry detergent comes in plastic packaging.
90% of this bulky plastic packaging is not recyclable. It ends up in our landfills, oceans, and shipped overseas.
Detergent Sheets use zero plastic and is completely biodegradable. 90% of regular laundry detergent is water, which increases 10 times the carbon emissions. Detergent Sheets remove this excess water, which is only 10% concentrated, which cleans clothes.
It comes in compact packaging, which takes up less space and reduces carbon emissions. It uses only 4 all-natural ingredients.
Free of parabens, phthalates, phosphates, bleach, and dyes, which may be harmful to the environment and your skin. It's safe with septic and gray water.
I'm never buying traditional laundry detergent again. These smell great, clean great, I'm sold.
This is not a dryer sheet. This is laundry detergent. I have sensitive skin, and I'm always reading the ingredient labels on my laundry detergent, and if you haven't looked at yours yet, you'd be surprised to find some very hard to pronounce chemicals and names, even if it says it's made for sensitive skin. So that's why I was so happy I found detergent sheets from Miracle with only 5 natural ingredients. Yes, only 5. They work by dissolving in the water your washing machine already uses. And they're pre-cut, so 1 sheet equals exactly 1 load of laundry. Thanks to the 5 all-natural, vegan, cruelty-free ingredients, they're great for sensitive skin, but still ultra-concentrated to remove tough stains. So unlike heavy liquid laundry detergent that comes in bulky plastic jugs, detergent sheets are made from biodegradable packaging with 0 waste or plastic. If you have sensitive skin like me, consider switching to more natural ingredients and give Miracle detergent sheets a try.